This is my first voiceover, so if you hear a lot of background noises in it, but I'll be doing this ruffle tops right here today. This ruffle top here, right here. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to start off by picking the color for the shirt. And I'm not going to be doing an advanced template because I just don't feel like doing that today. And it's a high shirt, so let me wear. Let's say it's like that. And then you're going to grab it, color it in, and then we're going to do the same for the, like, shoulders and sleeves. So color it in. And they are pretty short sleeves. So I will be making them kind of short. So I color sleeves in, and since these are all on the same layer, I can always adjust anything. Okay, so this looks really bad, but unlock this layer, pull this layer under, and then lock it again. So then I'm gonna grab this, it's a line template. I think you can find it in my Discord server. I'm gonna just paste that on top of it, and then I'm gonna adjust it. So ta-da. And then we're gonna go, and then we're just gonna delete some parts of it so it doesn't show up whenever you're wearing the clothing. I hate whenever that happens. Okay, let's try that. Okay, and then let's do this. You don't have to do the whole thing, but I just like to because it makes it look clean, you know, and easier to work with. Okay, so next what we're going to do, you're going to turn the transparency down by clicking these 3 buttons, and I'm going to do 14 today because I feel like it. But it should turn out something like this. Next, I'm going to pull the layer under like we did with the other one and lock it. Okay, time to do the shading. So what I'm going to do is new layer, and I'm going to be working with blue today because I don't know, I want to try it out. And then we're just going to do the classic shading, or should I use a shading template? I want to do a shading template. So let's just use a shading template. So I'm just going to paste my shading template and put it over. Then I'm just going to delete this part of it. And make sure to delete as much as you can. Yeah. Okay, so next we're going to do the same as we did with the lines. Just pull it under, because now we have to do the neck. So let me put this. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to merge all these layers down. And then make sure you're on this tool, and then go to Eclipse. I don't know what it's called, but then I'm gonna just pick out the size, grab this, and then move it. And I realized that there really isn't one, but I still want to do it because it adds a nice touch. So I'm gonna just do a tiny one, like that big. Actually, I'm not gonna do one. Okay, so next we're gonna add a new layer, like always. And we're gonna pick out this magenta color. So I'm gonna find that color. Okay. Sorry, I have a sore throat, I don't know. Then I'm gonna go to the size. And if I scroll in, you can see that it's like at the end, and I don't know how to explain it, but I'm gonna do it on one side. This. I'm gonna zoom out. That looks way too big, so. Yeah, so this color doesn't look as red. So let's do 3. Or 2. 2. 2's a literal square, but I'm just gonna quickly do some waves all over. And I like the beginning part, so I'm just gonna copy and paste that part onto the other. Like that. And I might just move like that, and then delete that part. Okay, so next what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge these layers down, and I'm going to go back to my beginning layer. I'm going to get the eraser tool, and then I'm just going to use a small size. And then just delete that. And then I'm going to just continue it for the other sides. So, yeah. And I might talk during it, but thank you guys so much for almost 10 subs. I was actually really happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you guys enough. So, yeah, but thank you guys so much for 10 subs. It means a lot, and yeah, so I hope this helps. But thank you for 10 subs. And I know it's not a lot, but it means a lot to me. So, thank you so much. Sorry if I'm saying thank you too much. Just thank you. But right now, I'm just doing my favorite part of the whole thing. Just deleting these parts. Okay, next I'm going to go back to that layer, and I'm just going to duplicate it and flip it. So it's a little different. I hate whenever that happens. Okay. Also, sorry if you guys can hear background noises. But yeah. Also, sorry if the audio is really bad. I didn't try it out. Oh, my voice. But yeah, so I didn't really try it out, so it might be a little bad in the beginning, because I'm not rich and I can't afford a really good microphone. But yeah, so sorry if my voice sounds weird or anything, but if, like, I'm pretty sure YouTube you need 1K subs in order to go live. I would love to go live, in fact. It'd be so much fun. Ooh, I would love that, but I don't have the subs. I'm not saying that I need any, because thank you guys so much, but I could easily do a design with me stream. Vita does, because Vita is my role model. She's awesome. She is the best, but she designs on paint.net and I don't. I might try designing on paint.net. I don't know why. Okay. So I'm just doing this. But yeah,